நான் எதுக்கு அவளை புஷ் பண்ணி கூப்பிட்டு வரேன்னு விட்டுருன்ட்டேன். நீ போ. சாப்பிட்டாச்சு. அப்போ எப்படி வரும்? என்கிட்ட பேசாத, நான் கிட்ட பேச மாட்டேன். ஐ won't talk with you. You do your work what you want.
Is not a healthy food. யாரோ சொல்லிருக்காங்க. யார் சொன்னது? யாரோ நீ சொன்னியா? Healthy food யாருக்கு சாப்பிடுற? So sorry. மாமா காலி. அதே ஒரு ட்ரைலர் கூட ஒரு மொபைல்ல ஒரு போட்டோ. என்னை வேலை செய்ய விட
நீ அவகிட்ட பேசாத நான் சொல்றேன். நீ எதுக்கு அவகிட்ட பேசிட்டு இருக்க?
யூடியூப் பேப்பர் எடுத்து வாங்கி தரவா.
எதுவும் நீ செய்ய அவ எதுவும் நீ பண்ண தேவையில்ல. அமைதியா இரு.
அவளே நீ பேச மாட்டியா?
எனக்கு அமைதியா இருக்கீங்க. ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணோம். அவளை அங்கேயே மேலே இருக்க வை. போட்டோம். அவ அங்கேயே படுத்துக்கிட்டோம்.
தாத்தா ரூம்ல போட்டுலாமா? தாத்தா ரூம்ல படுத்துறியா?
விடு. தாத்தா ரூம்லயே படுத்துக்கிட்டோன்ட்ட விடுன்ட்ட. பரவாயில்ல விடு. அங்கேயே படுத்துக்கிட்டோம். முடியாது. அவ அங்கேயே போட்டோம். போ. நான் பேசதா இல்ல. கதவை திறந்து விடு. கதவை லாக் பண்ணிட்டல. வெளியே லாக் பண்ணிட்டு தாத்தா ரூம்ல விடு. புரியுதா நான் சொல்றது? தாத்தா ரூம்ல போய் விடுலி. அவளை வெளியே லாக் பண்ண. தாத்தா ரூம்ல படுக்கட்டும். போ. தான் போய் படுத்துக்க. தான் வந்துட்டாங்களா? போய் படுத்துக்க போ. போய் படு. அங்கேயே படு. Good morning students. Today in the class Entrepreneurial Development, we are going to see the new topic in the title Entrepreneurial Development Program. This is a very important topic for your career in entrepreneurship as well as in the subject entrepreneurship development. So this is a separate unit. We have finished unit 1. So next we are going to start the unit Entrepreneurial Development Program. So first, what do you mean by Entrepreneurial Development Program? This is a program which was arranged by our government, Indian government, mainly to improve the skills of entrepreneurship, to encourage the people to do entrepreneurial business. So that's the main aim. The main motive to start an entrepreneurship development program is mainly to help the people to start up the business, so that the economy status will be increased for our country. So it means entrepreneurial development means to develop entrepreneurial abilities among the people. So whoever want to start up whoever want to do the business, this program will be useful because they will guide and let you know what are the procedures and whether your project is in a good one or a bad one. So they will help you to guide and choose the best project. So this is the main aim of this entrepreneurial development program, is to equip a person with required skill and knowledge needed for starting and running the business, that is or enterprise. So that is a prime motive of every entrepreneurial program. There are various institutions who are doing this work. So if you want to do if you want to become an entrepreneur, you can go for this program so that your skills can be improved. The next main topic is the objectives of an entrepreneur development program. These are the various objectives. The first and prime objective is to develop and strengthen their entrepreneurial quality, because you may have a good idea to start a business, but we don't know what you are going to do in the business. So this development program guides you, and it will create a confidence in you, so that your skills may be increased what to do in the future. That is the main objective. And the second objective is analyze the environment related to small scale and small business. Mostly entrepreneurs will start up the business with small scale industry. A small scale industry is where your paid up capital should be less than 5 crore, your business turnover should be less than 5 crore. So you can analyze the environment, because if a project is facing a loss, who going to face the losses? The entrepreneurs have to suffer the loss. So before making any business, you have to analyze the proper environment, whether the business will succeed in the particular environment. So the entrepreneur development program will help you to analyze the environment, how with the SWOT analysis or some techniques. They will guide you to study the environment, whether your business will succeed in the particular environment, and select the project or a product. So the next primary objectives of an entrepreneur development program is for selection of a project or a product. Whether your product is a good product, or whether the project will succeed in the market. You may have a confidence that the project may succeed. You don't know any demerits of the particular project, but during the scheme they will guide you whether what are the demerits, what are the problems will be faced by you. So they will guide you to choose the best product among the available, and formulate the project. You may have an idea what to do, what business you can do, but you don't know how to start up a business, how to manufacture product. So the main aim of the development of program is to guide you the each stage of the project, what has to be done. So they will formulate and give the project, can be formulated and give it to you. They guide you how to choose it. The next one is understand the process and procedures of setting up of small scale industry. If you want to be an entrepreneur, you suddenly can't become an entrepreneurship, because the paid up capital is 5 crore. So you may don't have a sufficient if you are sole trader, you can start up a business very easily. If you have a money, you can start up a business. But to start up a small scale enterprise, the procedure will be different. You have to get registered and want to get a permission from the government, and you have to get a loan from a bank. So you have to prepare a project report to submit to the government as well as for the bank. So they will guide you and tell the process and procedures. How can you apply for the loan and get a loan, or how can you apply from the government and get a permission? Because if your project is a new one, government can also invest in the particular project. And the next objective is to know and influence the source of help, support and need for launching the enterprise. So for some project, the other companies has to support you to come up with a business. So in this, the government will guide you what are the available sources. They will let you know. If you approach them, they will guide you. So the sources of you can get more resources with the help of entrepreneur development program, where they will give the sources. And the main objective is acquire the basic management skill. For becoming an entrepreneur, you don't need any degree or a basic education skills. But if you have any idea or confidence, then you can start up a business. So for that, for that kind of people, at least they need a minimum requirement of management skill, how to plan, how to organize. So here, this program, they give the basic things. What are the things? How to plan, how to organize, how to do the staffing function, what will happen in the organization. If they are starting an organization, what will be the problem, how they have to run it. They will give the knowledge regarding the basic management skills. And they will let you know the pros and cons of being an entrepreneur. So this is the main thing, because you should not think alone the positive thing of becoming an entrepreneur. They will guide you what will the problem will be faced by you. If you become a successful entrepreneur, what are the gains you can earn by the society. If it is unsuccessful, what are the problems and how the problems can be faced in the society. They will guide you. And the next objective is acquaint and appreciate the needed social responsibility. So before starting any business, you should have a corporate social responsibility, because it should help the environment which you do in the business. It should not alone benefit you individually. the economy as well as the society in which doing the business should also be benefited. So they will give the importance of to be a social responsible person. These are the main objectives. There are other objectives to be a successful in an entrepreneur during the entrepreneur development program. There are to let the entrepreneur set or reset the objectives of the business. So before doing this program, you would have set out what are the objectives, what are going to do, how whether you're going to do the business individually or group. So after joining the program also, according to your project need, they will guide you whether you can start up individually or you need to be start the business in a group. So they will make a realization whether which one will be is good for you. And the second objective is to prepare him for accepting totally unforeseen risk of business after such training. So they will give a proper training to face any risk to be faced in a society. You may have a social problem or a climate monsoon can affect your product. So if these risks are prevailing according to your product, they will guide you what are the risks, how to face it, how to minimize the risk. They will guide you. They will give you proper training how to face the risk and to enable them to take strategic decision. This main objective, because to be succeed in the business, you have to frame a proper strategy. So that has to be formulated very properly, then only you can succeed in the business. So strategic decisions helps to succeed in the business. So they will guide you to set up the strategic decisions. And the next objective is to enable him to build a integrated team to fulfill the demand of tomorrow. So if you are becoming an entrepreneur, you should not see the current situation alone. You have to be a future oriented. You have to predict what will happen in the future, how to meet the future demand which is going to be come in the future. So they will guide you how to predict the future and what are the it may be technology or a product demand. Everything has to be predicted and you have to work in the current predicting the future. And next objective is to communicate fast and clearly and effectively. So this helps to have a good rapport with the suppliers or the consumer you're going to meet. So when you have a good communication alone, you can you can take your product to the consumer or to the supplier according to the needs. For explaining the things, at least you should have a basic communication. So they will give a communication skill how to make a communication effectively. And the next objective is to develop a broad vision to see the business as a whole and integrate its business with it. They won't let you to be in a small scale industry alone. So you should have a broad vision in 10 years what your business is going to be. So it may be a medium scale, or it can the business can be expanded to various other countries or your business may be expanded to various other countries or various other states. So you should have a broad vision what you're going to do it in the future. And the next objective is to enable him to relate his product or industry to the total environment. You should not think the product belongs to him alone. You should work in the motive that it is environment friendly and business and the entrepreneur is different. He is working for the society. That thought he should have. His product is mainly for the society which he is living. Then to enable him to cope up with and coordinate all relevant paperwork. This paperwork means for starting up the business, we have to prepare the reports and we have to get a permission from the Companies Act to register the company. We should have a paperwork properly. A2 is that the paperwork should be done correctly. Then only we'll get a accreditation or a permission from the government to start up the business. So if you are uneducated or you don't have a basic knowledge how to apply, they will guide you. They will help you to prepare the paperwork to be done effectively, and they will help approach the government by telling the benefits, so you can able to get a loan easily. And to make him accept industrial democracy. So they can teach you what are the needs in the society, how the industry should be, how the industry should help the society and the economy. So they will give the basic knowledge regarding the industrial disputes and various things. And last one is to strengthen integrity, honesty and compliance with the key to succeed in the long run. So any business you do, you should not cheat others. You have to obey the law, and you has to do the business in an honest way. Then only, if you are doing any cheating business, you can't succeed in the long run. Your business can be short run. During the period of time, you have to close the business because of fraud, because you're doing a fraud. So they will guide you. The integrity, you should work with by keeping in mind the business should not cheat others, or you because you can be cheated yourself. So you have to obey the law and the environment law, various law available. Then only you can succeed the business in the long run. So these are the various objectives of entrepreneur development program. So this program helps to motivate the entrepreneurs to do more business. So thank you. I hope this video would have understand what is meant by entrepreneur development program and the objectives. Kindly go through it. If there is any doubt, kindly pin me in the comment section or contact me personally. Thank you.